I'm going to show the demonstration, but I have a very small compressor. I only have 20 seconds. So I'm going to open the air. The air will flow inside the chamber, go to the lung will blow up to the right pressure, and then it will release and start the cycle again. So let's watch. I'm opening the air a little bit. Okay, so lung is filling up. And it starts to cycle. I don't know if you can hear the valve going up and down. So it can do this for hours. Here's the valve. Just okay, but my air is finished now. I will close this. So that was my demonstration.